think this is a unique event. It's not like any other event I go to. Networking with CFOs and business leaders, and you're getting exposed to really cutting-edge thought leadership on how to deal with change like AI, cybersecurity, data management. These are things that really require people to collaborate. Last year, it was more of a panel discussion to the rooms. This year, you're hearing participants express their concerns and work together to find solutions.
The sessions have been excellent with lots of insight regarding manufacturing. Very relevant topics, especially for me as a company now that with tariffs, we're building a new factory as well. So having the experts here with Cherry Becker is especially very, very good for me. I think Cherry Becker has done a fantastic job organizing the event. You see people talking about their experience in golf, cooking, mixology, and for me, pickleball. I'm still a bit sore from pickleball, but I think the experience is great. If I'm invited back, I'll definitely be here.
So our organization believes in delivering advice and strategy, not just selling product. And I think that Cherry Becker also feels very similarly in that we're approaching from the same perspective of you have options of any sort of firms to work with to execute on your strategic goals as a business owner or an operator. And so what we want to do is listen. We want to understand what is it that we can do to help support the vision that you have, help advise based on experience from our knowledge base. And I think Cherry Becker approaches it the same way Regions does, which is making sure that we're aligning with what our customers need and want as opposed to what it is that we can always deliver.
I'm excited about really having an opportunity to talk about the people part of finance modernization. I think a lot of times we focus on the data, the technology, the processes, the accounting, and those are all important. But if we can't get the people inspired and get them to really understand what they're being asked to do, learn the skills, and feel motivated and rewarded for doing it, then we find that the modernization efforts fail. So really trying to inject that piece into how we get clients thinking about this is exciting to me.
Takeaways and learnings from this event, quite a lot, but I think the big one for me was in the last session where looking across the business from a people, process, technology, and data perspective. Any problem that you may have within your organization, you can't just address one of those cogs in the wheel that we talked about. You really need to take a holistic approach and look at all four dimensions.
We want the attendees to walk away inspired. We tell lots of stories about things we see in the market or with some of our other clients where they're really taking advantage of this moment in time, which is unique, and putting it in play. And we see the things that go really well and also the things that can be improved. And we want to pass that along. That's good for everybody. And then with this historic moment in time from an American policy perspective, you kind of wrap that all up. And folks should walk away motivated because just financially speaking, there's never been a better time to invest in growth. And then we can give you that template for the best growth we've seen in the market, and the two work really well.